Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of wasting hours on costly downtime just to set up safety markings? Look no further than the 3M Vinyl Tape 764, the game-changing solution for creating social distancing markings and more. This lightning-fast tape is a cost-effective choice for a variety of safety marking and color coding applications, and it's a favorite among many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, praising its ease of use and effectiveness. With the 3M Vinyl Tape 764, you can forget about paint and the hassle that comes with it. No need to shut down, mask, paint, and wait for it to cure. Instead, you can quickly lay down lines of tape and reopen vital areas in no time. The sound of the tape unwinding is music to your ears as you work efficiently. The tape maintains its color and features abrasion resistance, so you can count on it to excel in light-duty protection of equipment and parts. The texture is smooth to the touch and it feels durable, giving you peace of mind. It also conforms to uneven surfaces. Imagine being able to mark a rough floor without the tape lifting and retracting. It's a huge time saver. In real-life use cases, this tape is a lifesaver. Whether you're creating cues for waiting areas or making lanes and aisles, it's the perfect solution, and it's easy to see why it's so popular. It's just so much better than other products on the market. So why wait? Get your hands on the 3M Vinyl Tape 764 today and experience the difference for yourself. You won't regret it. It's the perfect tool to help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. And with its king-size roll, you'll have plenty of tape to go around. So go ahead and take the first step towards a safer and more efficient workspace. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.